Welcome to another Islamic quiz episode. Today's topic is signs of the final hour. Let's get started. What will happen to the Quran at the end of time? The Quran will be taken away in one night. How many trumpets will be blown? Two trumpets will be blown. Which location will be the final gathering for mankind? The land of Sham, which is Greater Syria including Palestine. Who is the angel responsible for blowing of the trumpet? Angel Israfil is in charge of blowing the trumpet. What will be the situation of the sun on the last day? The rising of the sun from the west. What will drive the people to their final gathering place? A fire which will emerge from Yemen. What day of the week will be the final day? The day of Friday. What kind of people will be on earth during the final days? The hour will only come on the worst of people. How will the believers die before the final hour? From a cool wind that Allah will send from the direction of Syria. Can you think of any other signs leading up to the last and final hour? All of these are also signs of the final hour. Only Allah knows when and where they will happen. If you can think of any, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this and other Islamic videos.